Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to back up your Moodle since we are upgrading to Moodle 3.0 from Moodle 2.6. It's very important to back up just in case there's a glitch. There shouldn't be, but it's always good to make sure, double check. You're on your Moodle page and you scroll down to Administration. Click on Backup. This is the first screen you will see. You can choose here what you want to save. I would not save users. I would empty your Moodle of all of the users before you move forward, because otherwise if you ever need to restore anything, you're going to end up with all your old users in your new Moodle, and you don't want that. So hit Next. And here's where you can choose. If you want to save absolutely everything, just hit Select All. If not, you can hit None, but you have to click User Data. That's why I said it's good to empty your users. And then you can go through and you can decide, do you want to save your student, if you have Moodle books, your student resources, any assignments that you wish to save, if you want to save passwords, you want to save your quiz, make sure you know what each of these icons means so that you know what it is you're choosing. Here's another Moodle book I definitely want to save. Here's vocab for the semester. And if you don't choose user data, you see how you're not allowed to choose anything else because my students use everything on Moodle. So if you want to save at all, you have to click user data. And then from there, you say, I definitely want to save that. Here's another quiz, and here's another quiz. Here's another Moodle book. Here's a questionnaire that I want to use, but I've learned the hard way. Make sure you have deleted all of the responses in your questionnaire. Otherwise, you end up with last year's answers in there with New Year's, the new people's answers, and it really messes you up. If you have any lessons, now here's an assignment, and you can decide whether you want to save the assignment or not. And because I like to make new assignments, I might change it, and it's such a pain to change all of the parameters, so I usually just delete the assignments, but it's up to you. And you go through each and every, please delete your Turnitin-ins, please, because if you don't, I will. So please get rid of all of your Turnitin-ins. And then you go down, scroll down to the bottom, click everything. Once you are done, you hit Next. And then you can go through and you can double check. If there's something you say, oh darn, I didn't want to save that. As you can see, anything that I did not select in the previous screen is now not going to be backed up. So this is where you double check to make sure you're good with everything. If you realize that there's something you want to go back and you want to save, you just go down to here and hit Previous. And it'll take you back to the previous screen, and you can then go back and you can check, go over anything you want to do. Oh, I want to save that, change it. And let's say, just for examples, let's say I say, oh gee, I really want to save these. I really like these assignments. I'll fix it and work on it later. Scroll down, check, 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 check. Hit Next. Then again, go over it, see how it's changed. All of these things changed because I decided I wanted to save them. And then I go down to the bottom, go over it very well, double check it, and then hit Perform Backup. When you hit Perform Backup, wait, and the more information you have and the more you're saving, the longer it's going to take. And it's going to tell you how it's progressing, and you just wait for that to happen. Wait a while. Then you hit Continue. And here is my backup file. This is the name of it. This is the way Moodle saves it. This shows when I saved it. And I can hit Download, which is what we want you to do. And when you download it, save it to your computer, and then put it into an external hard drive. And if you're interested in finding out how to restore it, it's very, very easy, but I do not recommend restoring it because you will have double. This is just as a backup, just as a safe keeps in case anything is missing, in which case then we could go to this file. That's why you need to save it onto an external hard drive, because what will happen, everything should move over to the new Moodle, and you would have double ups of everything, and that would be a pain to get rid of. So that's how you do it. I hope this helped you. And if you have any questions, of course, please come see me. I'm available period 1, my sacred prep, period 2, and period 6, as well as lunch. So thanks for listening.